King Cobra. The King Cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, capable of reaching more than 5.5 meters in length. Found across the forests of India, Southeast Asia, and southern China, this impressive reptile is both a skilled predator and an important part of its ecosystem. Despite its name, the king cobra is not a true cobra. It belongs to its own genus, Ophiophagus, meaning snake eater. Its diet consists primarily of other snakes, including rat snakes, pythons, and even highly venomous kraits and cobras. When threatened, the king cobra can raise nearly a third of its body off the ground, spread its narrow hood, and produce a deep, intimidating hiss, unlike that of any other snake. Although its venom is extremely potent, the snake usually avoids humans and strikes only when it feels cornered. Perhaps its most remarkable trait is its parenting behavior. The king cobra is the only snake in the world known to build a nest for its eggs. The female carefully gathers leaves into a mound, lays up to 40 eggs inside, and guards them until they hatch, a level of parental care almost unheard of among snakes. Powerful, intelligent, and surprisingly protective, the king cobra remains one of Asia's most extraordinary reptiles. Green Anaconda. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake on Earth and one of the largest predators in South America. Found throughout the swamps, rivers, and flooded forests of the Amazon and Orinoco basins, this giant can exceed 8 meters in length and weigh more than 200 kilograms, although most adults are considerably smaller. Unlike venomous snakes, the green anaconda kills through constriction. After ambushing its prey from the water, it coils around the animal, tightening with every breath until escape becomes impossible. Its diet includes fish, caimans, capybaras, deer, and even jaguars on rare occasions. Despite its enormous size, the green anaconda spends much of its life hidden beneath the water's surface. Its eyes and nostrils sit on top of its head, allowing it to remain almost completely submerged while watching for prey. Perhaps its most unusual trait is that females are dramatically larger than males, sometimes weighing 5 times more. During the breeding season, several males may gather around a single female, forming a writhing breeding ball that can last for weeks. Powerful, patient, and perfectly adapted to life in the water, the green anaconda is one of the world's most formidable reptiles. Black Mamba. The black mamba is widely regarded as Africa's most feared snake. Despite its name, it is not actually black. Its body ranges from olive gray to brown, while the inside of its mouth is jet black, a warning display shown when the snake feels threatened. Found across eastern and southern Africa, the black mamba is the second longest venomous snake in the world, reaching lengths of over 4 meters. It is also one of the fastest, capable of moving at speeds approaching 20 kilometers per hour over short distances. Unlike many snakes that rely on camouflage, the black mamba is an active hunter. It feeds on birds and small mammals, using powerful neurotoxic venom that attacks the nervous system. Once prey is bitten, paralysis can occur within minutes. Perhaps the greatest misconception is that black mambas aggressively chase people. In reality, they usually avoid humans and strike only when cornered or defending themselves. If threatened, they raise the front of their body, spread a narrow hood, and repeatedly gape their black mouth as a final warning. Fast, intelligent, and incredibly venomous, the black mamba remains one of Africa's most remarkable reptiles. Reticulated python. The reticulated python is the longest snake on Earth, with exceptional individuals exceeding 9 meters in length. Native to South and Southeast Asia, it inhabits rainforests, mangrove swamps, and even areas close to human settlements, where it hunts a wide variety of prey. Despite its enormous size, the reticulated python is a master of stealth. Using heat-sensitive pits along its jaws, it can detect warm-blooded animals even in complete darkness. Once within striking distance, it launches a lightning-fast attack and coils around its prey, tightening with every breath until the animal can no longer breathe. Its diet changes as it grows. Young pythons feed on rodents and birds, while large adults are capable of overpowering monkeys, wild pigs, deer, and, on extremely rare occasions, humans. Perhaps its most remarkable feature is its beautifully patterned skin. The intricate net-like markings give the species its name, reticulated, and provide excellent camouflage in dappled forest light. Powerful, patient, and astonishingly adaptable, the reticulated python remains one of the most impressive reptiles ever to evolve. Gaboon Viper. The Gaboon Viper is the heaviest venomous snake in Africa and possesses the longest fangs of any snake on Earth, reaching nearly 5 centimeters in length. Native to the rainforests and woodlands of Central and Western Africa, this remarkable ambush predator relies on camouflage rather than speed. Its intricate pattern of browns, purples, and cream perfectly mimics fallen leaves, making the snake almost invisible on the forest floor. Many animals unknowingly wander within striking distance before realizing the danger. Despite its bulky body, the Gaboon Viper launches one of the fastest strikes in the snake world. Its venom is delivered through enormous hollow fangs and is powerful enough to quickly immobilize large mammals, such as antelope and wild pigs. Perhaps the most surprising fact is its temperament. Unlike many venomous snakes, the Gaboon Viper is generally calm and reluctant to bite, choosing to remain perfectly still unless it feels directly threatened. Patient, heavily armed, and almost impossible to spot, the Gaboon Viper is one of Africa's most formidable and perfectly camouflaged predators. Rattlesnake. The rattlesnake is one of North America's most recognizable reptiles, instantly identified by the warning rattle at the end of its tail. Found from southern Canada to Argentina, different species inhabit deserts, forests, grasslands, and rocky mountains, making them among the most adaptable venomous snakes in the Americas. Rather than attacking without warning, rattlesnakes usually prefer to avoid conflict. When threatened, they vibrate the hollow segments of their tail at incredible speed, producing the famous rattling sound that warns potential predators to stay away. Like all pit vipers, rattlesnakes possess heat-sensing pits between their eyes and nostrils, allowing them to detect warm-blooded prey, even in complete darkness. They rely on powerful venom to immobilize rodents, birds, rabbits, and other small animals before perhaps their most remarkable adaptation. A rattlesnake may remain perfectly motionless for days, waiting for the perfect ambush opportunity, feared by many, but naturally defensive rather than aggressive. Rattlesnakes play a vital role in controlling rodent populations and maintaining healthy ecosystems across the Americas.